Our culinary lavender is grown on our farm without the use of chemicals, pesticides, or herbicides. For culinary use, timing and variety matter. We harvest our lavender just as it begins to bloom when the buds are at the right stage for drying and flavor. We use Lavandula angustifolia varieties for culinary purposes because they are known for their low camphor content, which gives a sweeter, more floral flavor. Once ready, the lavender is hand-harvested in the field and rubber banded into bundles. They are then brought into our barn to dry. Each bundle is hung upside down using paper clips, allowing it to dry slowly and naturally. After a few weeks, the lavender is thoroughly dry, so we take the bundles down and prepare them for the next step in the process. We remove the buds from the stems using a machine. The lavender buds are vibrated over screens multiple times to remove stems, dust, and other debris. This leaves behind a clean product ready for use in the kitchen. We offer our culinary lavender in jars and bulk bags so you can use it in your favorite recipes at home. You can also enjoy it in some of our products we make here on the farm, including our spice blends and simple syrup kit. Whether you're baking, cooking, or stirring it into your favorite drink, we hope our culinary lavender helps you create something special.